Today we will tackle things you didn't know about our planet. So the first one here is every card that you have staked here, you can't use it. So while it is inside the platform, you can't use it while you're playing. So as you can see here, I'm going to go back here on my Alien Worlds platform right here, and then as you can see here, I do have these items over here. So I do have a lot of shovels, I do have a lot of humans and stuff. But when we go actually into the Alien Worlds platform, or even in Atomic Hub, okay, you won't get it. What I mean here is you won't see it here. You know the reason why? Because um, it is put inside this platform. So just letting you know that of course there is also a risk that if this platform goes offline or didn't uh, what is the right word for that? It just disappeared. Then probably all of your NFTs inside our planet will disappear as well. But however, since we are on the Wax blockchain, it won't probably happen because every single game inside Wax is really, really good, and insecurity wise, it is really good. So as you can see here, I do have a lot of items here, but I don't see it inside my inside my inventory or even here in Alien Worlds. So that's the number one thing that you need to know. Number two, um, you this Aether that you earn, it has a corresponding value that you can actually probably uh, convert into a wax token. And then if you actually want to withdraw it, you can convert it into TLM, and then use this website, which is teleport.alienworlds.io, which requires you to teleport at least 100 TLM into your Binance Smart Chain. So I'm just going to show to you how you could swap your Aether for TLM. So as you can see here, I do have a lot of ATEM. I can always sell. I can always buy TLM. So as you can see here, I do have 18,182, which which is the same here. But if I claim this one, I'm gonna get around 54,000. So you just convert it into this one. If you want to get your money back in our planet while getting the money from your alien worlds, then probably the best choice that you could do is convert your Aether into TLM, and then when you reach 100 TLM, you can use this teleport website, which will transfer your TLM inside your Binance Smart Chain. So that's the number two part. The number three part here is every elements or packs that you actually get in our planet won't be subjected into NERF. So what do I mean on that? I'm just going to show you real quick uh, about a single tweet. Okay, so as you can see here, they announced last April 28th that there is a massive increase in their RAM costs. So as a result, the mining rate for abundant rarities of Alien Worlds assets will be reduced to zero. So as you can see here, um, Alien Worlds are Alien Worlds other cards as well inside here. Okay, every single card inside here is subjected to be nerfed. They have a power to do that. However, our planet developers team promise the gamers that for every packs or elements or anything that you get inside the alien worlds, I mean in our planet, neither. So uh, if you're getting around 100 Aether per hour here, then it will be stable. It won't be subjected to nerf. What do I mean by that is it will be reduced. So sometimes when it is nerf from 100, it goes down into 50 Aether. So uh, in that case, when it is getting nerf, depending on how big is the nerf, that's how longer you need to wait for you to get your money back. So for you to compute, of course, uh, your ROI here is you will go into this website which titles rcalculator.net, and then what you just need to do is to input your mining power inside here, and just copy this one that you have from the next reward. So I'm gonna do my part here, and then press the go part. As you can see here, I'm getting around 17 watts daily, which translates into 4 Tether USD per day. So currently I'm getting around 2-month ROI on this one. However, this is very important aspect if you want to know how long will you get your money back, and of course you will know how much you can actually get daily for the Aether if you are planning to mine Aether and just keep it. So that's almost all of the tips. Of course, as well, you should definitely check out their mining rig, because I think they are offering really good um, good price of rigs here. So as you can see here, just don't forget to put the price into lowest. So you will see that almost every pump miners or rigs are in $150. However, I think our planet just announced that they would have a rig sale. So what do I mean by that? If you're getting a rig sale, then probably if this one is around 160, you can get it for around $80. And I think it's giving good uh, it's giving a good Aether per hour. So let's check how much you can get for those rigs. So as you can see here, you would just need to type the asset type here. So you go here, rplanet.tools/stake calculator, and then choose of course atomic hub, because atomic asset, because it is on atomic hub. And then let's go here in this one. I'm going to copy this one. I think it is this one, and then check the rate. So as you can see here, this one is earning 150 Aether per hour. So 150 Aether per hour for a price of 155. And if you go here, 155 per hour, you will get probably 6 months before you get your money back, which definitely not that worth it to do. That is the reason why you should be aiming for rig sales rather than buying these uh, rigs inside the atomic hub, because it is really overpriced. So I'm just going to explain to you. You have the cards in our planet. Every cards that inside the our planet, especially if it is here, has a corresponding value that is being paid in Aether. So for the Aether that you get, there's you can convert it into wax. You can convert it into wax, and then you can convert it also in TLM. The best thing that you could do is convert your Aether into TLM, while you get your profits inside the alien worlds. Is you can use the teleport.alienworlds.com, so that when you get the money from your our planet and alien worlds, you won't get a much transaction fees, because you are putting everything inside here, and then it will be directly deposited into your Binance Smart Chain wallet. So I think this is good. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Please do subscribe into my channel. Smash that like button below, and I'm going to create um, more videos about our planet, of course, and how we can make more money from this platform. And see you on the next one.